Hello everyone, welcome back. So here we are going to just learn about the hierarchical inheritance in Python, right? So earlier we were just like seeing out what is inheritance, right? Let's just discuss a kind which is a hierarchical inheritance, and of course we have discussed out some more types as well. You can refer out my last video shorts. So hierarchical inheritance is multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. Okay, basically if you guys are having a parent class, okay, and that class could be inherited by multiple child classes. That means a super class could be a single and child class could be of number of, okay. So one parent class and many children. So if you could understand in a better manner of real time example, like you can just assume that a person can be a teacher, student, and a doctor, right? But person is only a single, right, entity. So if I'm like going to take you towards the Visual Studio Code, okay, and let's just try to give you an example of class A, okay, and it is going to have a def method. Let's say it's having a show class. So it is just going to print out for me that, just for sake of understanding, okay, it is going to print out that, okay, A class. Now if I'm going to create another class B, so it is going to be the subclass for A class, okay, and it is going to just simply print out B for me. Let's just edit out the here method as well, and I'm just going to create out a C class which is again going to inherit my A class. So simply what is the thing what I'm trying to explain you here is, so C, so if I'll just create the object small c for my C class, okay, I can try to access the method of, like, I can just edit out C dot show, okay. If I'll run this, I can normally run this, okay, because I have inherited my show class, okay. Show 2, this is going to be show 2, okay, sorry. So guys, we did a mistake here that self is not passed out to the functions. Let's just try to get that. So that's how we received out. In case if you are going to just create out a D object for my like B class, and you're trying to like execute out the class A's method, that is show class, you can simply try to execute, because we have followed out here that A and A both are being executed by its subclass object. So this is how guys you can just execute the I would say hierarchical inheritance, where a single class A is being inherited by B and C, and by B and C object we just try to access the method show of the A class, which is a parent class. So yeah, thank you.